In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to arrange layers in draw.io for Confluence and Jira. To get started, open the Confluence page or Jira issue where you want to organize layers in your draw.io diagram. For this example, I'll be showing the process inside a Confluence page, but the overall workflow is very similar in Jira as well. Once you're inside the page editor, locate the draw.io diagram you want to work with. Click on the diagram and you'll see a floating toolbar appear. From that toolbar, click the edit icon. This will open the draw.io editor in a pop-up window inside Confluence where you can manage your diagram in more detail. Before arranging anything, you'll need to open the Layers panel. In the top menu bar, click View, then select Layers. This opens a small Layers window that lets you control how elements are organized. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl, Shift, and L to open it quickly. This panel is important because it gives you a clearer structure for your diagram, especially when you're working with multiple objects. If you want to create a new layer, go to the bottom of the Layers panel and click the plus icon. A new layer will be added right away. It's a good idea to rename it immediately so you can keep your diagram organized and easily identify where different objects belong. To move objects from one layer to another, first select the object or multiple objects that you want to relocate, then return to the Layers panel and click the hamburger menu at the bottom. Hover over Move Selection to, and then choose the destination layer. This is especially useful when you're separating content like labels, shapes, connectors, or background elements into their own layers. You can also rearrange the order of your layers. To do that, hover over a layer in the panel, then drag it upward or downward and drop it into place. The layer order affects how content is stacked visually, so adjusting it can help make your diagram much easier to read. If you need to temporarily hide a layer, click the eye icon on the left side of that layer. When the eye has a slash through it, that layer is hidden. Click it again to make the objects visible once more. To prevent accidental changes, you can lock a layer by clicking the lock icon. When a layer is locked, the objects on it can't be moved or edited, and the layer name will appear in red to show that it's locked. Click the lock icon again to unlock it, and that's it. That's how you arrange layers in draw.io for Confluence and Jira.